How to recover locked Snapchat account. If your Snapchat account has been locked, first of all, if it is just a temporary lock, waiting it for 24 to 48 hours is going to automatically remove that problem. If not, you can try a couple of fixes. The first is you can simply go ahead and then long press the Snapchat app icon over here. Then you can tap on these three dots and go to the app info. This setting will be found on any Android device, and from there on you can go to storage usage, where you can simply tap on clear cache and you can also try to clear the data. After you've done that, if it is not helping you solve the problem, open your browser and search for unlock Snapchat account. When you do that, you'll find the first link from Snapchat that says unlock your account. So all you have to do is tap on that unlock your account button over there and log into your Snapchat account. In my case, I already logged in and it says locked account. So it says if your account has been locked, you can unlock it by just tapping this unlock toggle over here. So tap this unlock button, and before you try to do so, make sure to read this properly. So you must try to uninstall any third-party apps, plugins and tweaks before you're trying to unlock your account. Then tap the unlock button and you will gain access to your account. And next time, make sure to not repeat whatever issue it was that's why that Snapchat locked your account. Make sure to not repeat it in the future. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.